BAIC Manufacturing released the latest version of the 212 Sniper model last year. It uses the Warrior's chassis to improve its overall performance while maintaining the classic look. But its sales remain as stable as ever, with an average monthly sales of more than 100 units. Of course, with such a sales performance, BAIC Manufacturing still deserves praise for being able to continue producing the 212 for decades. It is reported that with the launch of new models, the previous versions will be retired and only the improved version of the 212 Sniper will remain. In terms of appearance, the new model released this time will continue the design of the previous two Sniper models. The front face has retained its classic shape without much change for more than 50 years. The raised hood, anti-aircraft lights, round headlights and other classic elements are quite recognizable. The new model uses a hardtop body structure with square doors on the side of the body, and its overall shape is quite rough and solid. Coming to the details, since the wheelbase of the Warrior model is longer due to the use of chassis, the front axle position has been shifted forward compared to the old model. Additionally, black framed wheel arches have been added to the 212 Sniper. In terms of dimensions, the length, width and height of the new car are 4360/1890/1940 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2620 mm. The side-opening rear trunk lid at the rear of the SUV, which many people expected, has still not appeared. The rear window is still closed. The trunk lid has a bottom cover design with a small opening. In the interior, the center console also adopts the style of the Warrior model. The overall shape is simple and rough, and the configuration level is very simple. The iron plates in the A, B, C pillars and other positions are not coated. Manual windows, manual air conditioning, no airbags. The new chassis and longer wheelbase give it good rear space, and the rear seats also feature seat belts. In terms of power, the new model launched this time is equipped with a 2.4T gasoline engine with a maximum power of 155 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 320 Nm, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. One of the highlights of the new model launched this time is the use of part-time four-wheel drive plus rear axle differential lock.